This is an instructional video for how to make the box pieces for your kinetic sculpture. We'll start off by making the back piece. Make sure you find the drawing for the back piece and have it in front of you. Note that this back piece requires the piece of wood that is 5 1/4 inches in width. Set your square to the exact 3 inches mark by loosening the brass knob and then tightening. When you measure the width of the piece, it should be 5 1/4 inches as opposed to 5 1/2, or the narrower of the two pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1/4 about. Make note of how it is useful to use the 90-degree corner on your square. The first line that you will make will be 1 3/4 inches above the bottom edge. Second line you will make will be on the same 1 3/4 on the opposite side. I like to make three little dots, 1 3/4, and then use your square to line it up and draw line segments that extend a little bit past the edge, about 3/4 of an inch. Repeat the same process for the second cutout, 4 1/4 inches up from the bottom. Scribe your lines for the top segment. Next, we'll be making vertical marks at 3/4 of an inch in from the left and 7 1/4 inches in from the left. Mark the same dimensions of 3/4 and 7 1/4 inch down lower for the bottom cutout. Next, align your ruler vertically to complete the small segments shown. You may need to flip your ruler around for it to remain square. You can do so if you want. Finally, I like to make a small X on the sections that are going to be removed from the material. Also, write the word back and draw small arrows on which side of the line to cut in order to account for the kerf, or the width of the blade. We'd rather it be a little bit too tight and then sand to fit later. Next, you'll be making your side pieces. Find 2 pieces of wood that are 5 1/2 inches across and 6 inches tall. I find it helpful to have the drawing in front of you as you make these dimensions. Follow the same procedures where you make several tick marks showing the dimension on the drawing, 1 or more in each dimension, and then turn your ruler to rotate and connect the dots. Feel free to work at your own pace while this video goes in the background. I'll play some nice music for you, and if this works properly, it should stop when you get to the next piece.